Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're going to tackle a topic that affects all of us. Today, we're diving deep into the world of groceries, but not just any grocery trip. We're talking about how to keep your wallet happy and your fridge full. Groceries can be one of the biggest expenses in our monthly budgets, but it doesn't have to be that way. You know how much I love saving money, and I believe that with a few smart strategies, you can significantly cut down your grocery expenses without sacrificing the quality of your meals. These hacks I'm about to share have seriously changed the grocery game for me. From planning your meals to making a detailed shopping list, every little step counts. We're talking serious savings here, people. Imagine walking out of the store with a cart full of groceries and still having money left in your pocket. Get ready to take notes, because these tips are about to make your grocery shopping a whole lot easier and way more affordable. So grab a pen and paper, or open up your notes app, because you won't want to miss a single tip. First up, let's talk about coupons. They might seem old school, but they can save you a ton of money. Look for coupons in your local newspaper, online, or even on the store's app. Next, consider buying in bulk. Items like rice, pasta, and canned goods often come at a lower price per unit when you buy in larger quantities. Just make sure you have the storage space. Another great tip is to always check the unit price. Sometimes the bigger package isn't actually the better deal. Compare the price per ounce or per item to make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck. And don't forget to bring your own bags. Some stores offer discounts for using reusable bags, and it's better for the environment too. Finally, try to cook at home as much as possible. Eating out or ordering takeout can add up quickly. By preparing your meals at home, you can control the ingredients and portion sizes, which is healthier and more cost-effective. So there you have it, folks. With these tips, you'll be able to cut your grocery expenses and still enjoy delicious, nutritious meals. Happy shopping and happy saving. Okay, so picture this. It's a Saturday morning. I'm strolling through the grocery store, completely clueless, just grabbing whatever looks good. I mean, who has time to check every price tag, right? My cart is overflowing. I'm spending way more than I planned. And honestly, it was stressful. I could feel the anxiety building up as I approached the checkout. Does that sound familiar? That was me until I had my grocery awakening. It was like a light bulb went off in my head. I realized I needed a plan, a strategy to conquer the grocery store and my budget. I started by making a detailed grocery list at home, planning out my meals for the week. That's when I started researching, experimenting, and discovered these incredible hacks that I'm so pumped to share with you guys. I spent hours reading articles, watching videos, and even talking to store employees to get the inside scoop. Trust me, these aren't your grandma's grocery tips. These are game changers. From knowing the best times to shop to understanding how to read price tags effectively, I've got it all covered. One of the first things I learned was the power of grocery apps. These apps can help you compare prices, find deals, and even create a shopping list for you. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Another tip is buying in bulk. It might seem like you're spending more up front, but in the long run it saves you money. Just make sure you have enough storage space at home. Always check the unit prices. Sometimes the bigger package isn't the better deal. By comparing the unit prices, you can make sure you're getting the most bang for your buck. And don't forget about coupons. They might seem old school, but they can save you a ton of money. There are even digital coupons now that you can load onto your store loyalty card. Lastly, bring your own reusable bags. Not only is it better for the environment, but some stores give you a discount for using them. Every little bit helps. So there you have it, my grocery awakening. With these tips, grocery shopping has become a breeze and my wallet is thanking me. I hope these hacks help you as much as they've helped me. Happy shopping. Listen up, because this is the golden rule of grocery shopping. Never, and I mean never, go to the store without a plan. A well-thought-out plan is your secret weapon to save time, money, and stress. It's the foundation of a successful shopping trip. It's like going into battle without your armor. You're just asking for trouble. Without a plan, you're more likely to feel overwhelmed, make impulsive purchases, and forget essential items. This can lead to multiple trips to the store, wasting both time and energy. Before you even think about grabbing your keys, sit down and plan out your meals for the week. Consider your schedule, dietary needs, and preferences. Are there days when you'll need quick meals? Do you have any special occasions coming up? Planning ahead ensures you have everything you need and helps you stick to a healthy diet. What are you going to eat? What ingredients do you need? Take inventory of what you already have in your pantry, fridge, and freezer. This prevents you from buying duplicates and helps you use up what you already have, reducing food waste. Once you have your meals mapped out, create a detailed shopping list organized by grocery store sections. This makes your shopping trip more efficient and helps you avoid backtracking through the store. Group items by categories such as produce, dairy, meats, and grains. This way you're not wandering aimlessly and getting tempted by those strategically placed snacks. Stick to your list and avoid the aisles that are filled with junk food. Remember, grocery stores are designed to make you spend more, so having a plan helps you stay focused and resist unnecessary purchases. As you shop, check off items on your list to ensure you don't miss anything. This also gives you a sense of accomplishment and keeps you on track. Once you're done, load your groceries into your car and head home, knowing you've conquered the grocery store with a solid plan. Back at home, put your groceries away and start preparing your meals. Meal prepping can save you even more time during the week and help you stick to your plan. Enjoy the satisfaction of knowing you've set yourself up for success with a well-organized grocery shopping strategy. Buying in bulk is like having a superpower, but with great power comes great responsibility. It can save you a ton of money in the long run, but only if you do it right. Here's the deal. Stock up on non-perishable items you use regularly, like rice, pasta, canned goods, and toiletries. But before you buy a year's supply of something, make sure it has a long shelf life and that you have enough storage space. Don't let bulk buying lead to unnecessary waste. Chapter 4. Unlock secret savings with grocery store apps. We live in a digital age, people. Your smartphone is your secret weapon for saving money on groceries. Download your favorite grocery stores apps and start browsing those digital coupons and weekly ads. You'll find incredible deals and discounts that you wouldn't even know about otherwise. Some apps even offer personalized recommendations and cashback rewards. It's like having a personal assistant for your grocery shopping, but way cooler. Chapter 5. Farmers markets, your freshness connection. Let's talk fresh produce, the heart of any good meal. Farmers markets are like hidden gems, offering incredible deals on locally grown fruits and vegetables. Not only is the produce fresher and tastier, but you're also supporting local farmers and your community. Plus, you can often find unique varieties that you won't see in regular grocery stores. It's a win-win. Pro tip: go towards the end of the day for even better deals, as vendors often discount their remaining produce. Chapter 6. Resist the impulse. Impulse buys, the enemy of any budget. Those tempting treats strategically placed at checkout lines are designed to break you, but don't give in. Remember that shopping list you made? That's your secret weapon against those sugary sirens. Stick to your list like glue and avoid those tempting aisles. And here's another trick. Don't shop when you're hungry. You're more likely to make impulsive decisions when your stomach is calling the shots. Don't be fooled by flashy packaging and marketing ploys. Sometimes the cheaper option is just as good, if not better. Take the time to compare prices between different brands and stores. Look at the unit price, which tells you the cost per ounce or pound, to make sure you're getting the best deal. Trust me, those few extra seconds of comparison can add up to significant savings over time. Okay, let's talk generic brands. I used to be skeptical, but honestly, they're often just as good as name brands, especially for staples like flour, sugar, spices, and frozen vegetables. Don't let the plain packaging fool you. The quality is often comparable, and you'll save a bundle. Plus, you can use those savings to splurge on something you're really excited about. Remember those grocery store apps we talked about? Well, they're about to become your new best friends. Many of them offer digital coupons that you can clip right on your phone. No more carrying around stacks of paper coupons. And don't forget about cashback apps. These amazing tools give you money back on your purchases, including groceries. It's like getting paid to shop. Just scan your receipts after you shop and watch the savings roll in. That's it, guys. You are now armed with the knowledge and strategies to conquer your grocery shopping and save some serious cash. Remember to plan your meals, buy in bulk wisely, utilize those awesome grocery store apps, explore your local farmers market, and resist those impulse buys. By incorporating these simple hacks into your routine, you'll be amazed at how much money you can save. Now go forth and become grocery shopping champions. Thanks for watching. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more money-saving tips. I'm always on the lookout for ways to stretch a dollar, so let me know in the comments below what money-saving challenges you want to tackle next. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be boring. It can be fun and rewarding. See you in the next video.